Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Easy, your friendly professional makeup artist. In this tutorial that I'm going to share with you guys, I'm going to teach you how to properly apply mascara, how to apply it like a pro, and at the same time, how to properly curl your lashes so that it will stand up to the heavens for the whole day. Yes, up to the heavens. So if you want to see how I'm going to do this look, then keep on watching. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. We are going to use this Anne Clutz Super Mega Ultra Curl Mascara. This is a parang another series ng release ng product ng Anne Cosmetics. And no, I'm not going to do a review about this kasi ang dami na naman nag-review. I'm going to use this only for product demonstration on how to properly apply the mascara. Asian eyes, like us, ang lashes talaga natin, it's very stubborn, very straight. Mahirap siyang i-curl. Kahit i-curl mo siya, may tendency pa rin na dumiretso pa rin siya. First tip, okay? You have to properly curl your lashes. Madalas kasi na nakikita natin na nagko-curl tayo ng lashes, pero nasa middle section lang tayo nagko-curl. When we curl our lashes, we have to do the following. We have to do the 3-point system. I called it 3 points kasi you have to start it from the roots, from the middle, and to the tip of the lashes. So how do I mean by that? So say for example, can you see that? For example, this is your lashes. So usually kasi, ang mga gumagawa pa nagko-curl, so I'm using a Shurumura. This is for Asian eyes. Maganda siya. So andito lang sila nagko-curl sa gitna. Okay? So kapag gitna lang ang kino-curl nyo, ang tendency nagiging check type yung itsura ng lashes. Nakaganon lang. Kasi dito lang kayo sa gitna. For us, as a professional makeup artist, and I'm going to share with you guys, you start from the 3-point system, meaning the roots itself, from the roots to the middle and to the tip of the eyelashes. And you have to at least count 8 counts, okay? 8 seconds. So it's like this. Start from the roots. So I hope you could see this. Start from the roots. Okay, roots. Okay. Roots. Count 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, you go to the middle, gitna ng yung lash. I hope you can see that. And count 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Depende sa bilis ninyo. And to that tip of the lashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ganun dapat yung tamang way to curl your lashes. Now that you know, see, mas lalo siyang nag-curl pag nagsimula sa roots. So you have to start from where? You have to start from the roots, middle, and tip of your lashes. Okay, go with the roots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, can you see that? And then you go to the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you go to the roots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, medyo kasi short talaga ang lashes ko. And then, you have to repeat it on the other side kasi other half ng eye mo kasi maliit lang yung akin. Pero kung full ang curlers nyo, okay na yan. So, nakita niyo yung difference? Medyo nag-up na siya. Depende sa gaano ka-stubborn yung eyelashes niyo. I did repeat this 3 times ko siyang curl. So, para mas lalo siyang mag-curl up. So, I did a 3 times na process. So, I have to eyelash application techniques that I'm going to share with you guys. Yes, they are the professional tips that you can use at home. First is if you want to make it a bit natural, but still it has the curl and lengthening. This is the first technique that I'm going to share with you. If you have a lash comb, guys, this is my personal lash comb. And by the way, I'm using directly the wand of the mascara. I'm not going to use this with my clients. This product is my personal use. So I'm going to apply now the mascara. Apply it here on the lash comb. Apply nyo lang. And the good thing about using a lash comb, it will help to comb your lashes also while it removes the excess product. And what you are going to do is apply it first to the roots here, then up. You don't need to wiggle, you just have to comb it through. And for you to really comb, or para mas lalo nyo makomb yung lashes nyo, you have to tilt your head, look at the mirror like this. You have the mirror and you look down. Want dramatic and curl, then we are going to use the wand of this mascara, and I'm going to bend this. We as professional makeup artists, we like to bend these lashes so it's easy application for us. It's slightly bend. I already bend it like this, and then remove the excess. Always remove the excess, guys. Okay. So what I'm going to do, you hold, tilt, do not wiggle, you just have to apply it on the roots of the lashes. Don't apply too much pressure, guys, just lightly touch the roots from the lash bed. This is the final result of using a lash comb. On the other side dito, if you want more natural and yet may mascara pa rin, so you could use the lash comb technique. But if you want more dramatic, more fuller, and talagang it's all way up to the heavens ang lashes mo, then you have to use directly the mascara wand of this product. So if you have a lashes like mine that are short and straight, may this video help you. And if you have already applied this kind of application, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what are the other makeup basics that you want me to share with you guys. If you are already a subscriber of my channel, thank you so much for always watching my videos and for your support. I love you.